Welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. We are going to discuss about a fighter helicopter, Bell AH-1Z Viper, highly capable multi-mission attack helicopter. It is made by America. Its price is $75 million. It has two General Electric turboshaft engines. It consumes 1800 horsepower to fly. It runs with the maximum speed of 370 km per hour. It can continuously cover 0.680 km distance in just 1 liter fuel. It can fly up to 20,000 feet in the sky. It can carry maximum weight of 8,392 kg. Its fuel tank capacity is 15,061 liters. It is outfitted with two general seats. Its exterior length is 57.97 feet. Weapons in AH-1Z are 16 Hellfire missiles, 6 Sidewinders air-to-air missiles, 70 rocket pods with 7 and 19 shots, and a 20 gun. Okay friends, it was Bell AH-1Z Viper helicopter.